Hello, good morning. This is Coach Zion. I would like to show you how to upload an advert at Digital Adverts Limited if you want to advertise your business to reach out to many people across the world. So what you do, you log into the application with your username and the password, and after that, you come here on the first icon which has Upload Advert. So you click on Upload Advert. So once you click on Upload Advert, you come here and you choose either image advert or a video advert. So if you choose an image advert, you'll be paying 100 shilling per view. If you're choosing a video advert, you will be paying 200 shilling per view. So I'm going to upload an image advert. So I'll come and say upload advert. So when you click upload advert, you're taken to a folder where your images or your image you're going to upload is. So I'll come here and you choose one, so you tap on it. So if you can upload up to 5 images. So I can upload now the second. I can click just plus on the plus. You can click on the plus to add more. Sorry about that. You click on the plus to add more. It will take you back. You go in the folder still, you choose the second advert, and after that you say next. You can go up to 5 images. So you click next. So once you click next, you come here and you choose the advert name or the title which has to be seen. For example, let me put the title of this drama play. It's called Tunuju dash the chaos. So that is the advert name I am choosing. You come here, you put the email address in case people want to reach you with email. You can put the email. They say optional, but you have to put it because if you don't put the email, it will not really be successful. So you come, you put the number in case people want to call you, which number they can call at, and also you choose the WhatsApp number. Which remember already the country code is chosen, so you don't need to put another country code on this. So the number here, I'm going to advertise for 200 people. I want 200 views. So next, you have to choose the country. If you don't choose the country, your advert will hang in space because digital adverts is international. So you have to choose which country or countries you want your advert to be displayed. The more countries, the number of countries you choose, the number of countries where your advert will be displayed. So at here, I'm going to choose Uganda because this plays in Uganda, and I'm going to this advert to be only viewed in Uganda. So you come, you choose Uganda. So if you want to choose another country, you can tap again country and you choose another country. It will be selected down there the way you see Uganda. If you want also Kenya, will be added there. So I want only one country. So here you come, you put your website. In case you have a website, you put your website here, or your Facebook link, or your download link, any link you have which connects to your business, you can put it there. So for example, here I will just put Digital Adverts Limited, Digital Adverts .co stroke. Let me put my link, Zion reference stroke Zion Lex 2. I'll just put that. In case you don't have a website, you just put your link for digital adverts, such that when people tap it, they can come and do business with you. Then after that, you have to check on the agree box to agree with the terms of our advertisement. If you don't agree, we shall not accept your advert. So you have to agree on the terms. If you want to check them out, you can check them out. So step number 3, already your advert is here. It's showing you the summary into Nuju the course image advert. They're showing you the numbers. You confirm 200, target is Uganda. Then after that, you have to choose the payment method. You can use mobile money. If you want to use mobile money, you put the number which has mobile money. You can use account balance. In case you have account balance on your account, you can use the account balance, or you can use an advert coupon. So for example, me, I will be using an advert coupon because I already have an advertisement coupon. How do you get a coupon? You can reach out to your upline and shows you how to get a coupon. But coupons are got from VIP members and also from agents. So that's my coupon. Then after putting my coupon, I will say advertise. So once I click advertise, and now that's when I wait my advert to be submitted. So it is rolling, it is loading. You can see they say advert is uploaded successfully. So after the advert is been uploaded successfully, what comes next? You come here down, you see down here near home, there is a button of like a settings button here down in the middle. So when you tap on it, you come on my adverts to see the advert you have uploaded, its status. Is it online or is it still pending? So the advert, you see, can see the adverts I've uploaded so far, but the one the entunuju, the chaos is the one on top. So you tap on it to see its status. So the advert is here, but saying status is pending for approval. So we are waiting for the admins to approve this advert to go online. Okay, so you have to either call your account manager, you call your upline, tell him that I've uploaded an advert, I need it to be approved, or you can wait until the admin approves the advert, then your advert will be online. Thank you so much. This is Coach Zion.